Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Back again, got another unboxing video. Today, this is super exciting. It's the Lenovo ThinkPad T495s. So this is going to be, for those of you who are following along, the T is kind of our typical business class solution. We used to call this product, actually there wasn't anything like this, but our AMD products used to be an A series. This generation, we moved them up to the T series, and we've also got, it's a 495, so the 4, it's a 14-inch. 9, ninth generation, then 5, that's our designation for a AMD version, and then S, that's our slim, thin, light version. So the ThinkPad T495s today. Super excited about this product. Let's go ahead and get started with opening it, and I'll talk about it a little bit as I open it up. So again, this is our Think class product. Is going to have everything that's in our typical T490s, but it's going to be the AMD version. It's going to have all those 10 mil-spec tests that everybody wants to have. So here's the inside the box. Go ahead and look at this here. This is going to be our AC adapter. So let's see, it's a typical USB-C charging. Also comes with a dongle for onboard Ethernet, and then we've got US line cord option. So haven't talked about this for a few videos, but just so you know, we use the same AC adapter globally, but then in each country we include a line cord specific to that country, so the plug works where you are at. So this one obviously in the US is going to be this type of plug. So let's see what else we got in the package here. So our going to come shipped in this container. Let's go ahead and slice it open. We'll talk a little bit more about it. So this has got 4 different screen options available to it. It's got a FHD, FHD multi-touch, FHD low power, and an FHD IPS with privacy guard. So all those options available in our thin and light product. So if you look at this, I had an X1 Carbon probably 4 or 5 years ago. I don't know if it was this thin and light, but it was thin and light. This one, incredibly thin. So this is again a value product. It's going to be under $1,000 in the U.S., maybe way under $1,000. It's got a beautiful looking screen. It's 14 inches, like I said. Because it's the S model, that's why it's so thin and light. It's got 16.4 hours of battery life. It's got a camera on here. It's got the security tab for the shutter guard, so you can close the camera with the dongle. Let's see what else it has on this side. It's got the headphone jack, HDMI, USB, and then the standard ports here for our side docking connection, USB-C for charging, and then the secondary USB-C with the charging. And then on the back, this is going to be the SD card. So all built into it. Comes with a 65-watt adapter. Not sure what else there's to say about this. It's kind of, in one sense, it's the typical Lenovo ThinkPad that everybody loves. It's got a great keyboard, but it's going to come with the AMD Ryzen processor. It's got 2 options on the processor. You can either get the Ryzen 5, which is the 3500U, or you can get the Ryzen 7, which is the 3700U. Great laptop, great price, opening it up, ready to sell today, just shipping. So take a look at our website. I'll put a link down below, learn more about it. But that's it. Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager, signing off. Thrilled to be showing off the T495s today. So that's it. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.